Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we're gonna play Squid Game. No, not really. We're gonna see if we can fix a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a broken screen. So this smartphone is a Samsung, a Korean brand, and we're gonna fix it with David, our resident technician, who is also from Korea, and we're gonna pay tribute to our favorite game as of now, Squid Game. So this is a typical repair procedure for a Galaxy S21 Ultra. So we're gonna replace the screen on this one and see if we can do it or not. Well, of course, as you know, if you're watching our channel for quite some time now, we are fixing some things that are odd or mainstream, like batteries or screens. So this one is a typical screen replacement for an S21 Ultra. So if you haven't watched Squid Game yet, I highly recommend that show. You can watch it over at Netflix. It's pretty good actually, and you can relate if you are in debt right now. But the main difference is you won't be in debt because you broke your S21 Ultra screen, because here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we do it with a reasonable price. So that's a segue. So we're all gonna disassemble the parts, and as you know, all Samsung flagship smartphones come with a integrated housing and screen. So if you change the screen, you are also changing the housing around the smartphone. So as you can see right here, it's not anymore a black chassis, it's more silver or gray. So it will not be matching with the back plate that we have removed, because that one is black and this one is silver, but the functionality is still the same. It's just the color that changed. If you don't like that, yeah, maybe you can wait for some black colored parts, so that you will maintain the color that you want for your smartphone. So right here we have a silver chassis, and the screen is now working. So did we win? Yeah, we got it fixed pretty quickly, because unsurprisingly, David is an expert for all Samsung repairs. He's been repairing Samsungs and iPhones for quite some time now, so this one is just a breeze or a walk in the park for him. So if you want to play Squid Game with us, go to the shop. If you are in debt right now and you don't want to spend a lot of money for your smartphone repairs, head over to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and we'll do the repair for you. As you can see here, it's a successful fix, and I guess we're gonna cash in the prize money from the piggy bank right up our ceiling. So this is good. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers, and don't forget to watch Squid Game.